set up, and that will bring you to a window like this. Just get the window, and then you basically just set it up. So anyone with a thingy or only me, use whatever you want. Just press next. That will take you to another window. Do you want to allow this app? Just click yes, and that will take you to another window. Where do you want the files to go? You can just browse and put them wherever you want. Then it just simply click install. You'll install away, and that will just download the appropriate files for you. And then in no time at all, you'll be up and running. Just take a bit of time. Complete Nano Banana setup. That's finished, and that'll bring you to this screen. We'll put this into the full screen. So now you're in the full screen and you've got access to it. First thing you'll have to do is do your API key. Simply do your API key. There's a link here for Google to go get your API key. Click that link, get your API key from Google Studios or wherever you got your API key. You do need the API for Google for this though. It works on the free tier plan as well. You get limited use for that. If you've got a pro plan, you're laughing. You can just use it all day long and it won't matter. Then you click save, and that will highlight there and done.